Hey, good morning. Welcome to Make It Yourself Monday. If you're joining us for the first time, glad you're here. Feel free to search on my page for all my other videos, and I'm always looking for suggestions and just things that you would like to figure out how to make with your oils or to make a chemical-free version. So if you want to leave those suggestions in the comments, I'd love to try them. What I'm going to be doing for you today is some throat support. This is something I make a lot, and I just thought I'd pre-make ahead of time. What I normally do is I make some wellness tea. So I call it tea, but really it's just a spoonful of oil, some Thieves Vitality, and some lemon Vitality, and then add water. It's really good just for overall body wellness if you start to feel yourself fighting the crud, just to take it. I try to drink a cup every day just for prevention, but especially if you have a sore throat and you just really want to stay well this winter, this is really good to do. So I thought I would just pre-make it ahead of time. The only thing we're going to be using is some local honey, and then I've got Thieves and Lemon Vitality, and these come in your, sorry, my phone said my battery's dying. So these come in your starter kit, Thieves and Lemon. They're really, really good for wellness and immunity. So what I'm going to do, this is a 4-ounce jar. So 4 ounces is about 8 tablespoons. So I'm going to fill it almost all the way up with the honey. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take, so I usually do, when I make my tea, I do like a big spoonful of honey, which is probably close to a tablespoon. Hey, Felicia. And then I do about a drop of Thieves per scoop of honey, and then a couple of drops of lemon. So since we've got about 8 tablespoons, I'm going to do probably 8 drops of Thieves. And then I'm going to do about 16 drops of lemon. And you could do more or less, depending on what you like. And then I'm just going to mix it up. So this way, I figure it'll already be pre-mixed, and then when you want to just have some throat support, you just feel that little tickle, or if you just like hot beverages this time of year and you want to stay well, all you're going to do is just take a spoonful of this, or however much you want, teaspoon, tablespoon, and just put it in a mug, and then pour your hot water on top and mix up, and it feels so good on your throat. It tastes, because of the Thieves, it tastes kind of cinnamony, and then you get that lemon, so it's like a good fall drink too. And my kids will actually drink it, especially my 2-year-old. She loves her tea, so it's a really good wellness tea to get in them. And that's it. If you guys normally drink Thieves tea or anything like this, comment below, tell me how you drink it or what you like to put in it. The local honey kind of depends. Sometimes get it at different places. This one I actually get, this is Blue Ridge Mountain raw honey. You can get it at Ingles. I get a big jar of it. It's from Mill Spring, so not too far from where we are. JD Produce has some on Church Street. Is that Church Street? And then the Creamery, Mills River Creamery, sometimes has some. So anywhere local I try to buy from a farm around here, somewhere around here that's not coming too far, within an hour around here, because local honeys is really good for you. Thanks, Felicia. Yeah, a lot of the apple orchards might have some, so I try to just get a big jar of it because we use it a lot. So this is really good for your throat, guys. I hope you try it. If you haven't tried it, if you just have your starter kit, you can do this today. Get a jar. And if you don't want to use, I also did see a thing where instead of lemon oil, they just cut up a bunch of lemon pieces, but that seemed difficult. Lemon oil is really good for you. So, and if you do the lemon pieces, just store it in the fridge. So, that's awesome, Felicia. I haven't been, but I'll definitely check that out because I buy a lot of honey. But you guys have a great day. Again, if you have any ideas for Make It Yourself Monday, something you'd like to see me make, that you would like to replace, or just something you would like to try your oils for, comment below. I'm happy to try them. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week and stay well. Bye.